make words come over me. Feels like I'm somebody else.
I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to read what's come over me. Feels like I'm somebody else, 'cause I get overwhelmed.
These faces, who don't know what space is. When crowds are shut down, I'm overstimulated. Nobody gets it, say I'm too sensitive. I can't listen 'cause I'm eyeing the exits. Is mine, isn't mine, who am I to judge? Oh, I should be fine, but it's all too much.
So just don't get overwhelmed, and you'll make it out, then you'll be just fine. I promise you don't have to worry about a thing. Don't let it break you down, you got me by your side. And when you feel the difference, it'll be night and day.